Hello guys, welcome back to one of my videos where I'm going to show you how to find the backup sensor control module in the trunk of your 2001 Ford Focus Ghia in case you have factory parking sensors installed. Now, in the first place, you need to take out this carpet. It was took out before because I was having some problem with the sensors and kinda, I took it to somebody and he said he's sure it's the control module. So that's that. Let me move the camera a bit. So I was saying that over here you can find the sensor control module. That's basically a little box. You need a Phillips head screwdriver, and if you're comfortable you can kind of sit in the trunk and you undo these screws. Try not to lose them, and I try not to push the camera with the tripod over. Also, if anybody knows what the hell is this connector for, please tell me in the comments. Kinda need to pull the cables out first so you don't accidentally tear them while you're getting the box out. Just take your time with it, and here it is. And here are the two connectors, because this module actually has two connectors, and here are the things that hold it in place, or you can screw it. And here you have a code. It's a BOSCH Parkpilot 0263004007. This was the parking module on the Ford Focus Mark 1s and Ford Mondeo Mark 3s. After that they changed it to a newer version. You can actually find BOSCH Parkpilots on the market around 1000 lei. I might put up a price in euro while editing, so yeah. Now let's say you change the control module for your sensors, and you want to place the carpet back. Now you kind of need to undo these plastic parts so you can slide the carpet right under. Like so. You kind of push it over there, and you need to oh my god, just take it out. It's not really that hard, but put it back in correctly. And I see there's also a plastic clamp over there. Carpet needs to be under more things, under the cover, spare tire cover thingy. Should be some in here, like it has its place, but well, after a bunch of fucking around with the with the carpet, I guess I'm done. So a few things to be careful of, like over there, how the carpet is held in place to be put in exactly, and over here under this piece of plastic there is one of these plastic clamps that holds the carpet to the frame of the car. Remember to put that one back, and by the way, you need to remove this piece of plastic that's held in by two plastic clamps there and there. I kind of removed a big part of this plastic on top, so I have an easier job. And also this carpet actually goes under this foam on the base of the trunk, so remember to put it in. A little bit more about the parking sensors. The other cables go in, under these carpets, like go up here, so the cable for the speaker goes that way, so in case you need to change that out, you need to remove this piece of plastic and these. And to access the sensors themselves, you need to remove the rear bumper. I also made a video about that. So anyhow, thank you very much for watching. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, and as always, have a nice day. And Furry Free out.